Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's kitchen. I'm with my friend
Small chef.
Yes, our small chef is here, and today we are going to make oat cake. This is the flour that you are going to use. This one you can use to bake muffins, cakes, cookies, bread. You can make super healthy and thicker soups, and also you can use it for baby recipes. There are some who use this one to prepare for baby porridge. It's also fine. So guys, let's get to it. The ingredients that you're going to use are, what's this?
Carrots.
Yes, you're going to use carrots. This one, baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And then, what is this? This is the oat flour that you're going to use. I've just removed it from the packet. And then, what is this?
Oil.
This is oil. We are going to use a 1/3 cup of oil. What is this?
Sugar.
Sugar. We are going to use 1/2 cup. What is this?
Vanilla essence.
Yes, good. Vanilla essence. And then, what is this?
Egg.
This is an egg. We are going to use 1 egg. And this one is called cardamom.
Cardamom.
How does it smell?
Nice.
So nice. So guys, let's get into it. So first, and we're also going to use this. What is
Blue
this?
Band.
Yes, it is Prestige margarine. We are going to use it later. You'll see what we'll do with it. For now, what you're going to do, let's first grate these carrots. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll start and then you'll help me. So this is how we do. We'll use this small one, this one, so that it comes out small. So you're seeing the way they are
And this
coming
one?
out. Those ones are for big
Big one.
pieces.
And this one?
This one, it's also for another style, but since you are using for baking, I prefer we use that one.
And this one?
Yes, we use this one. You see it's coming out.
Which one?
Let me first do this, and then see there is another piece.
Yes.
Yes. So why do you like cakes?
Because I love cake so much.
Why do you love cake so much?
Because I love baking.
Oh, you love baking?
Yes.
Wow, that's so nice.
Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell and like, comment,
Yes.
share,
Yes.
and watch this channel.
Wow, that's so nice. Yes, they should do that so that they get more content that we do for cooking, and also some vlogs. And for this cake, by the way, we are not going to bake in an oven. We are going to use a jiko, so that you don't have any excuse that I don't want to bake or I don't have an oven, that's why I'm not baking. You see, you can bake from a jiko. The last one we did on a jiko, and it came out so nice. You love the cake?
Yes.
Yes. And it was our first time baking on a jiko. Like this.
What?
It's okay. Do the small one, this one. Please.
Okay.
Wow. Good job. Yes, it's coming out so well. Let me help you. Yeah, like that. And also you can use bananas. You don't have to use carrots. You can use ripe bananas in your oat cake, and it will also come out so well. I wanted to use two carrots, but I think this one is also fine. So this one is enough, Mama? Yes, this one is enough. Why don't you like carrots?
Because I think they're not yummy.
In this next step, we are going to sieve our flour. I'm going to use 2 cups. First pour the sugar here. You want to pour? Yes. Then I'll be using this one to measure. You see, it's half a cup. So bring the sieve.
A sieve?
Yes. You want to use it to sieve. It's okay. Wait. I'm measuring. Wait, Mama. So this is a half cup. So I'm going to pour like 4 times because it's half. So 4 halves make 2 cups.
2 cups.
So you do like this.
Okay.
So guys, these are the 2 cups of the sieved oat. And then, as you can remember, we had already put the sugar and the oat flour. We are going to also mix or sieve. Wait, we are sieving. We are going to sieve the baking powder. Here's the baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Yes. Good job.
It's coming inside.
Yes.
Not outside.
Yes, you're doing a good job. And you can see it's removing impurities in it. Sieving is very important. So you can see these are some of the impurities that we've removed from the baking powder. So continue mixing. So after mixing that, we are going to add, these are the dry ingredients we've used: sugar, flour and baking powder. So we'll add the carrots, that we grated. I grated only 1 medium size, and it's enough.
Now make a nice cake.
Yes, you're making a nice cake. Let me help you a bit.
No?
Just a bit. Add 1 egg. Continue mixing.
Egg. The egg.
Yes. Is it mixing?
Yes.
Yes, mix it nicely.
So that it looks nice like a cake.
Yes. And then I'll add the cooking flour.
Sorry, cooking oil.
Let me help you a bit. So you mix everything together. So at this stage I'll add some water. If you have some milk, you can also add. If you have some milk, you can also add and mix it well. You can see it's so sticky. Yes, hold for me. We'll mix until everything incorporates well together.
So that it be nice.
Yes, so that it's so nice.
So nice. So that it be so nice.
I'm going to add some, at this stage I'm going to add some cardamom.
Make a nice cake.
Yes, you can also use cinnamon powder if you have. It will also come out so well. Then we'll add the vanilla essence. You can also use the lemon extract or orange juice, it's also okay. Doing a good job. Yeah, we've already mixed everything together and you can see the mixture. The small chef has been mixing, doing the mixing. You can see the butter. It's so good. So as she's doing this, I'm going to apply some margarine in my sufuria. Since you're going to bake using the jiko, I'm going to apply margarine in my sufuria and then I add some flour and then we put our butter or our mixture. Are you proud of yourself?
Yes.
Continue mixing, continue mixing. Just mix.
Let's mix.
Yes, just mix. And guys, when you're applying margarine in your sufuria, you be generous. You be generous. I'll show you what I'm doing. So that it does not stick. So this is how it looks. I've already applied. You can use a brush or your hands. So long as your hands are clean, you can use it. It's so much okay. Then I'll apply some flour. Then you coat it everywhere. You ensure that it is well hot so that it doesn't burn. And for the excess, you remove it. For the excess flour, good job, it's ready. You're okay, it's good. Mom, you're mixing also with your mouth. You're so funny.
The cake is looking nice.
Yes, the cake is looking nice.
We see how we mix. It makes so nice hot cake.
Yes. So for the excess, we remove it.
Hot cake is looking nice.
So we've removed the excess, and now we are going to pour in our sufuria. And you put everything. Yes.
I pour in cake inside so that it is nice and nice. See how the cake looks? And click this button. Comment, share, and watch this channel.
You shake it to remove the excess bubbles or air in your batter. Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Yeah, it's good to go. This is how it looks.
This is how we make cake.
Yes. So the next step, we are going to light our jiko and put it. It's going to take 30 to 45 minutes and it will be ready. After the charcoal is heated, you put it on top and some down so that it can cook. After 45 minutes it's ready. So you use a fork or a toothpick to taste. It comes out clean, it's cooked just the way it is. It is very much cooked and very spongy or soft. I transferred it on my plate. I didn't put it nicely so it cracked, but it was so spongy, very soft and very yummy. I'll cut so that you can see how it looks. See, it's so soft. So guys, try it out and let me know how it turned out.